Staying healthy is a constant battle, one also including our immune systems. Let's read into viral immunology, the study of the immune system and how it battles viruses. Once upon a time, the immune system kingdom was ruled by a king and his two children. The oldest prince, named Innate Immunity System, was a control freak. His sister, Adaptive Immunity System Princess, was fierce. One evening, the king received word that pathogens, or disease-causing germs, were plotting an invasion. So to find out which enemy was scheming, the B-cell officers investigated, releasing hunting dogs, antibodies, on the enemy pathogen they could put a name to the face. But how? Well, the guard dogs have sensitive keys that they match to the lock of the enemy, which is a surface protein called the antigen. This is the fingerprint, or what puts the name to the face. The enemy was found to be Vicky the virus. The orderly prince had to calm his people, so he sent tough guy warrior cells, phagocytes, that killed and digested the locks of the pathogen to send to the princess's trophies. The messengers, Major Histocompatibility Complex, delivered these antigens with a secret code to prove their identity. Basically, they needed to make sure that the enemies weren't in disguise and trying to take over the T-cell commando army. Meanwhile, the natural killer guardsmen set up the moat. That, like weapons, pro-inflammatory cytokines were released. #release the Kraken. These captured the virus and acted like a green light for the princess to build a wall to contain the spread of the infection. The adaptive princess unleashes her knight in shining armor, cell-mediated immunity. This means that all the knight's T-cell cytotoxic horsemen would defend the kingdom with special weapons. These magical knives, or antigen-presenting cells, are forged to destroy the pathogens. Killer T-cell officers order for cell death, or apoptosis, to the pathogens. But Vicky the virus dispersed cute kittens, baby pathogen soldiers, to spread the infection through destruction. However, the interferons interfered. This lasso weapon paralyzed the kittens from wreaking havoc and spreading the virus. Cannonballs launched guard dog antibodies to attach to the viral pathogens, or opsonized. No more Vicky virus. Later, the king makes a copy of the strongest remembering, or antigen-specific, B-cell officers and antibodies to identify the enemy in case it were to come back. The specific princess stores the weaknesses in her library, since the prince is too forgetful, or antigen non-specific. Thus, this chapter concludes. So why does viral immunology even matter? Well, understanding the way that our body fights germs allows life science experts to create drugs for transplants, vaccinations, and boost immunity. Getting vaccinated helps to reduce the chance that a virus like coronavirus will seriously infect you from a large population already exposed. However, vaccination doesn't make you immune. Your body is rather prepared, just as the kingdom knew what to do when it was Vicky the virus. This video concludes, but the battle for health never ends.